start again. It's a red stick.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So as you can see, I have got this month's mystery gel box. If you will have saw my video last month, Gel Box sent me out their very first mystery gel box, so this is their second one. I will leave last month's video. I did a video unboxing it and swatching it, and I also did a video, let me show you. Last month's box came with this sticker, and I recreated this set of nails using the builder gel and the colours that came in that kit. So these boxes, yeah, every month they're a mystery box. You get 4 gels, a ring and a couple of nail art bits in each box. So shall we get it open and see what colours we got this month? I will leave a link to the website. I've got a discount code as well. I'll leave that below. Look at this box as well. Last month's box was black with sunflowers. So let's have, oh, look at that inside as well. So it's got like zebra print on that side, black and white checkered on that side. Aren't they quirky? So straight away I can see another sticker. So I wonder if this is the colours we've got in this one. I bet it is. If it is, we might have to recreate this. Might make that a monthly thing now, recreating the stickers that come in these boxes. So yeah, this came in last month's box as well. So you can have a little practice at your design before you do it. So let's have a look, shall we? Oh, look, we've got more stickers. Look at the packaging, guys. Isn't it beautiful? I love it. So let's have a look what ring we got this month. These stickers. I love these. So let's leave all these together. Oh my gosh. I have wanted one of these rings for so long. I see nail art pictures on Instagram with these kind of rings, and I've always wanted one. Wait to see this ring, guys. Let me get the sticker as well. We've got another sticker. So these are vinyl, these are. Love these. Look at the ring. Honestly, I have wanted one of these rings for it. Oh, it's small as well. Oh, it's resizable. It's resizable. Can you see there? So you could make it bigger or smaller. Perfect. Yeah, I've wanted one of these for ages. I just think they're really cute and look good when you're taking a picture. Obviously not like that because you're not going to see it, but so I'm going to leave that on. Right, so we'll see what little bits we got first. So that's the nail art pen. That was in last month's box. And it's just a black pen. I'm not going to pull the ink through because I've already got one. But if you want to see how to use that, I used it in my last video, last month's box. I'll leave that video clickable at the end. So we've got a cuticle oil. I hope it's pineapple smell. I can smell it already, it is. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, smells a little bit coconutty. Oh, it reminds me of holidays. So let's have a look at the colours. Right, guys, so the colours that you get in these boxes, look, they are 20ml. They are huge. So in each bottle is like 3 regular size bottles. So that's like 3 gel polishes there. Anyway, I'm just going to take these little clips off the top of them because I don't want to break them. And then I'll show you. So we've got, look at this. Oh my gosh, how bright is that? Should I bring you in just a tad now? So this one's called Pink Paradise. Neon. I knew there were going to be neons in it this month. Yellow. Electric glow. And then we've got a gold. I like that. That is something different. But they will definitely work. And this is called Prosecco Party. And the builder in a bottle, again, that is a 20ml. This month is called Pink Gin. It looks a similar colour to last month. It looks a bit lighter. The one last month was more of a nude, I think. But we're going to swatch them anyway. Let's go straight in with the pink. Look at this ring, I love it. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at it. Wow. Should I bring you in even closer? Oh my gosh. This is a bright, like all neon pinks are bright, but this is brighter on another level. Yeah, that is brighter on another level. I wish you could see how bright it, because it's a lot brighter off camera. And for a neon, it is super opaque. Neons can be hit and miss, can't they? Sometimes even the best quality neons can be a bit transparent, but that was very creamy and opaque. It was a good one. So come on, yellow, don't let the side down. Let's see if this is sheer and transparent. It's not. Oh my days. I'm really excited to do something with these now. Yeah, they're amongst the brightest neons I've seen, without a doubt. Definitely amongst the brightest neons. Wow, they're blinding. Oh, that little speck's going to really bug me. I'm going to have to get it out, guys. Sorry, I had to get that little speck out because it would have really bugged me. It would have really bugged me otherwise. Love that. So excited to use these. Right, let's have a look at this gold. I like that. It's something different, isn't it? But they are definitely going to work. They are. So let's have a look at this. Oh, it's a really, really shiny. Right, so it's got... Right, what this is it's got ultra fine gold, but the tiny hexes in it are silver. So it gives it that kind of rose gold, champagne gold kind of look. Prosecco, that was its name, wasn't it? Prosecco party or something. Yeah, the fine glitter is gold and the little hexes are silver. I will give that a second coat. That'd make a nice topper, or if you wanted it full cover, yeah, give it a second coat. It's so sparkly you can't see the colour of the glitters, but yeah, it's a fine gold, pale gold. I don't like yellow golds or orangey golds. I like these kind of golds. Yeah, the small hex or silver. So I'll give that a second coat. Right, whilst they're curing, shall we swatch the builder gel? I love my builder gels. And again, I've got another big 20ml bottle. Yeah, this looks more on the pink side than last month's. Last month's was more of a nudie pink, wasn't it? Oh, this is nice. This is like a... yeah, a real dusty kind of nude pink. Guys, it looks runny, but we're bang in the middle of summer. It is super hot. So it wouldn't be like this on a normal temperature day. I think before I use this tomorrow, actually, I said it with the last one, I'm going to stick it in the fridge for a minute, because they're just so difficult to use when they're this runny, when it's hot. Oh, that's a beautiful colour. That's a beautiful, beautiful dusty kind of nude pink, isn't it? I love that. That's a really thin coat as well, so that's nice and opaque. So I'm just going to give this gold one a second coat. Then I'm going to top coat them all and we'll have a nosy at them. Guys, I have just had to take myself off to the bathroom because I convinced myself these were glowing in the dark. I kept holding them in my hands like that, you know, doing that. And I was convinced they were glowing, but no, they're not glowing in the dark. They're just that bloody bright. But I love them. I wish you could see them as I see them, because, yeah, they are so much brighter. I would never have thought this time of year all my glittery stuff like this gets put away till Christmas and autumn. But I would never have thought to bring them out and stick them with these colours. Like last month, I don't know if you remember the colours that came in last month's box. Them colours, mustard, blue and like a Barbie pink. I would never have put them together, but they work. And they've done it again this month. I wouldn't put them together, but they work. They really do. I like it. I love a mystery box because it pushes you to try things you wouldn't normally try. And both boxes have been bang on with doing that for me. Making me try colour combos I wouldn't normally try. So that's them. And this is the Builder in a Bottle again. Look at that colour. It's like my perfect skin tone colour. I love it. Look at that. Yeah, it's very similar to last month's colour, but this has got more of a pink tone to it, I think. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it again. I am. Really impressed with it again. I love it. And I can't get over, I said it last month. You're probably sick of me saying it. 20ml. So that's like 3, 6, 9, 12 of your regular size gels. And they're really affordable boxes. Really affordable boxes. So everything it come with again this month. So obviously you get your little colour caps that go on there. This is stinking my room out, but it's a nice stink. Pineapple-y, coconutty, holiday kind of smell. And your nail art pen. And again your vinyl stickers. Ring. I think that's my favourite out of this box actually. Only because I've wanted one for so long. So yeah, watch this space guys. Again, in the next couple of days I'm going to do something and recreate something similar to this. But yeah, that's it guys. That is it for today. Keep your eye out this week for recreation video. Discount code, website link will all be in my description box below. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye!